How to study at night without falling asleep. 1. Get sufficient sleep. The main cause of feeling sleepy while studying is not getting enough sleep at night. Make sure you sleep about 5 to 7 hours during the day. 4 to 10 p.m. is alright. 2. Don't eat heavy meals at night. Consuming heavy meals such as eba, fufu, etc. will make you feel lethargic and relaxed all at once and will make you sleepy. So stick to light meals and snack a little in between your study to keep you awake. 3. Study in a well-lit room. Lighting is very important when you are studying. Dim lighting like just your table lamp will make you feel drowsy and cause you to sleep after a while, but a well-lit room is sure to keep you awake. 4. Take your bath and brush your teeth. Taking cold showers or washing your face with cold water before you start studying will keep you awake and alert. Brushing your teeth also helps keep you awake. 5. Drink lots of water. Drink enough water while you are studying to make you pee often and stretch your legs. 6. Use active study techniques. Study techniques like active recall, note-taking by hand, Pomodoro and Feynman's techniques will help you stay focused and keep you participating in what you are learning. 7. Study with others. Studying with your study buddy or group online or offline will chase sleep away, especially if you set little time aside during your study to discuss what you have learned. 8. Avoid your bedroom. Avoid studying in any location that connects you with sleep, so you don't feel drowsy. When feasible, study someplace other than your bedroom, such as a library, classroom, or a designated, well-lit section of your house. 9. Chew gum. Chewing any kind of gum will help you stay awake. Having something to occupy your mouth may help you get through the night. 10. Music. Blast away with your favorite jam to keep you awake and happily studying. Don't let it be too slow to avoid making you drowsy or too fast to get you distracted to lose focus. Follow, like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more study tips.